Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create some custom measures that will depend on the measures we created in the previous video. So make sure you have completed the creation of the 8 measures from the part 2 of this video series. I've got a spreadsheet here that contains 6 formulas that we're going to use to create custom measures. This spreadsheet will be available for you to download. Just like in the part 2, I'm going to show you an example of how to create the first custom measure from this spreadsheet, and then I'll let you create the other 5 following the example I've shown you. So we're going to be creating the custom measures inside the measure grid. So we do that just by clicking on an empty cell in the measure grid, and then using the formula bar we will add the formulas in the spreadsheet. Make sure you've got the fact internet sales option selected in the design bar, and in the measure grid just click on an empty cell. So I'm just going to click on this empty cell here, and then the formula bar is activated. So I'll go to my spreadsheet and I'll select this one here, the formula, right click, copy, and then paste it into the formula bar. All right, and then inside the formula bar, I'm just going to place my cursor at the end of the formula and press enter, and that should generate the custom measure. You can see the custom measure has been created here. I'm just going to expand this so you can see that's what has just been created. So follow the example I've just shown you and then create the other 5 listed inside the spreadsheet. I have now created all the custom measures. Measures created for the fact internet sales table are used to analyze critical financial data such as sales, cost, and profit margin for items defined by the user selected filter. All the measures that we have been created, you can see them inside the Tabular Model Explorer under the measures folder. So this is my measures folder, and you can see these are all the measures that I've created. You can right click on a measure and see the actions that you can take on that measure. For example, if I right click on this measure, these are all the actions I can take for that particular measure. So that's it for this video. In this video, I showed you how to create custom measures. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.